This is part 6 of our review of the Tagalog case markers. This is getting longer than I thought. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. Tagalog nouns cannot stand alone. They need a marker to make them stand and announce what the noun is all about. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? Is it in the singular form or in the plural form? This is what we have been learning since we started the series on our review on the Tagalog case markers. If you have missed those videos, do check them out so that this current video will make sense to you. The links are in the description box down below. Tagalog case markers are devices that help a noun stand and signal what that noun is all about. That's because in Tagalog, as I have mentioned, nouns cannot stand alone. There are three main types of case markers. These are direct marker, indirect marker, and oblique marker. All three are used in conjunction with common and personal nouns in the singular and plural forms. We've already covered the markers for common nouns. In this video, we will continue to cover the markers for proper nouns and focus on the direct markers SI and SINA, which we've started in the last video. We have reviewed the purpose of the direct markers SI and SINA in the last video. They are used to announce that the noun attached to it is a name of a person. It's si Peter, Peter. Si Marie, Marie. Sina Peter at Marie, Peter and Marie. Sina Peter, Marie at Ariana, Peter, Marie, and Ariana. I hope this is clear. In this video, we will learn to combine the markers we have learned so far, si, nang, and sa, and their plural counterparts. We already learned of these patterns. Si Marie ay nagluto ng adobo. Marie cooked adobo. Nagluto si Marie ng adobo. Marie cooked adobo. Nagluto ng adobo si Marie. Marie cooked adobo. We're now going to add a location to these patterns represented by the oblique marker sa. You will remember from episode 113, sa is a locative marker that points to where the verb is happening. Sa can point to a physical location or to a person. Let's try this with the SVO+Location Pattern. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe if you're still not by simply hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. On to the SVO+Location Pattern. Si Tess ay nagluluto ng gulay sa kusina. Tess is cooking vegetable in the kitchen. Si June ay kumuha ng pera sa bangko. June took money from the bank. Sina Peter at June ay magbibigay ng mga laruan sa mga bata. Peter and June will give toys to the children. Sina Ariana at Marie ay bumili ng mga prutas sa tindera. Ariana and Marie bought fruits from the shopkeeper. To the Filipino ear, this pattern sounds formal and very stiff. This is not my recommended pattern for you to master. Just be aware that this pattern exists. Let's move on to the VSO+Location Pattern, which is more casual. Let's try. Nagbigay si Marie ng tinapay sa bata. Marie gave a bread to the child. Kumukuha si June ng pera sa bangko. June is taking money from the bank. Nagluto si Peter ng adobo sa kusina. Peter cooked adobo in the kitchen. Bibili si Tess ng mga prutas sa tindera. Tess will buy fruits from the shopkeeper. Nagbigay sina Marie at Ariana ng tulong sa mga ulila. Marie and Ariana gave help to the orphans. Kumukuha sina June at Ed ng kurso sa universidad. June and Ed are taking a course at the university. Nagluto sina Peter at June ng mga gulay sa restaurant. Peter and June cooked vegetables at the restaurant. Bibili sina Tess at Anton ng mga regalo sa tindahan. Tess and Anton will buy gifts from the store. Now, let's try the VOS+Location Pattern, which sounds more logical because the verb and the object sit together, making it clear what the verb is doing with the object. Let's take a look. Nagbigay ng mga tinapay si Marie sa mga bata. Marie gave breads to the children. Kumukuha ng pera si June sa bangko. June is taking money from the bank. Nagluto ng adobo si Peter sa kusina. Peter cooked adobo in the kitchen. Bibili ng mga prutas si Tess sa tindera. Tess will buy fruits from the shopkeeper. Let's have some more examples. Nanghuhuli ng isda si Ed sa dagat. Ed is catching fish from the sea. Nangangaso ng baboy ramo si Nardo sa gubat. Old Man Nardo is hunting wild boar from the jungle. Nagbayad ng utang si Ariana sa akin. Ariana paid a loan to me, which means Ariana paid me the money she owes me. I know the translation is quite bad, but I'm trying to approximate what the Tagalog phrase is in English. Alright? Humingi ng pabor si Anton sa kapatid niya. Anton asked a favor from his sibling. Mangungutang ng pera si tatay sa kapitbahay namin. Dad will borrow money from our neighbor. Mag-aabot ng tulong si nanay sa biktima ng aksidente. Mom will give help to the accident victim. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it some love by clicking the like button. That's gonna help this channel a lot. Now, let's do this pattern with the direct marker SINA. Nagbigay ng tulong sina Marie at Ariana sa mga ulila. Marie and Ariana gave help to the orphans. Kumukuha ng kurso sina June at Ed sa universidad. June and Ed are taking a course at the university. Nagluto ng gulay sina Peter at June sa restaurant. Peter and June cooked vegetable at the restaurant. Bumili ng mga regalo sina Tess at Anton sa tindahan. Tess and Anton bought gifts from the store. Nanghuli ng mga alimango sina tatay at tiyo sa ilog. Dad and uncle caught crabs in the river. Nangangaso ng usa sina Nardo at Tinyo sa gubat. Old Man Nardo and Old Man Tinyo are hunting deer in the jungle. Magbabayad ng matrikula sina nanay at ate sa eskwelahan. Mom and elder sister will pay tuition in the school. Humingi ng tulong sina Ariana at Marie sa mga kaklase nila. Ariana and Marie ask help from their classmates. nangutang ng pera sina Peter at Ed sa akin. Peter and Ed borrowed money from me. We have used actor-focused verbs in all of our examples because they work well with the direct marker SI and SINA. Object-focused verbs, on the other hand, works better with the indirect markers ni and nina, which I will discuss in my next video. Be sure to catch that. That's about it for now. I will be seeing you soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.